Hey, good evening, Amita. Thanks a lot for joining. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you so much.
Can we start with a short introduction?
Sure. So I'm a freelance copywriter specialized in sales and marketing, and right now I'm doing also copy consultation. And I have almost 2,000 students. I'm teaching them from free almost from 2 years now.
Oh,
So that's the thing started just now.
okay. So what exactly is copywriting? Very few people know about it.
Exactly. The copywriting, I think the concept is now not clear so much. People who are doing the online business, they know what is copywriting, but not it is clear to everyone. So the thing is that copywriting is a writing that helps people to persuade someone. It means that it is not only used in business and sales, it is used in your day-to-day life. For example, you are want to convince your one of your friends. So let's go with me right now. Your friends don't want to go. He might have some work to do. Now you have to convince your friend in your favor that he have to go with you, and that is will be beneficial for him. In a very simple way, I'm just
Okay.
describing the
Yeah.
process. In the same way, we are using copywriting to convince the customer to purchase our product, because in online world we can't interact. We can't interact with the people like we are doing right now. We don't know who is reading our email, who is watching our website, who is visiting our landing page. We don't know. So we have to make a just detailed analysis about the customer psychology, who is going to visit my website, who will be my ideal customer avatar. Based on that, we create that formula that attract those kind of people. And it's purely based on the psychology of human behavior and need and desire, because everyone is going through something. They are visiting some website, it means that they are feeling something emotionally. They need something. It can be financial, it can be personal, it can be health, anything else. So let's suppose I'm selling some health product, and it can be like energy drink for person above 60. Now I have to understand that what is the pain point those people. I have to understand what they go through at this age. What is the complications they have? Why they should purchase my drinks? Because the fact is there are so many drinks available in the market. Why should purchase my drinks only? So I have to research all these things, then make a complete persuading copy.
Okay.
Sales. So that's the thing. Copywriting is just convincing the people that what I'm saying right, and it is not forcing. We are just recommending people. Actually people don't know that they need it. Sometimes they people may be thirsty, but they feel that, okay, I will have water after some time, but it is required for your body to have some water right now. So this is the copywriting. I will recommend people that this is the pain point. You need these things for your well-being, and if you take this, it will be better for your life, for your future. Now, this copywriting is not only for business, that I highly recommend and highly believe in that, because I'm coming from a background. I did a job for 8 long years, so I I can connect with the fact that every time I want to convince my senior, I want to convince her I need a leave for this reason, and they straightforward they say no. Now I have to convince them. That convincing process is also a copywriting art. How I am convincing that person, and ultimately they will say with a smile, noted with a smile, that yes,
Okay.
you can go do that, you can take that leave. So this is an art of persuading people, convincing people, not forcefully, with a love and affection, emotionally convincing people. It is a requirement. It is an art of talking. You can speak or you can write, whatever. It is a structuring the words, beautification of words, and it is a must for everything. It doesn't matter whatever you are doing, freelancing, job, business. For even for a normal people, if you know how to speak well, if you know how to write well, everything else is learnable.
Okay.
This is the most important skill a human need. to survive in this world, to be successful or anything. You have to write well, you have to speak well. And for that, you understand that whatever you have in your here, in your mind, you say that exact things, because many times it happens that people have very good things in their mind, but when they start speaking, they don't know. They just forget everything. They make that, jumbles of things, and they say something else, and after the conversation is over, they, oh my god, I wish I did this, I wish it
Okay.
happens. So this is the process of copywriting, that whatever you have, you can say it clearly, you say so beautifully that people understand, people say yes to your words. Is it an art? And yeah, it's a learnable and must for each and everyone.
Okay, so copywriting is basically writing something that can convince someone for at a given point.
You can not only writing, it is also a style of speaking.
Okay.
Because when you're thinking good, when your thinking is structured, when your thinking is in the track, then you can write it. Writing is just a process where you're using the hand to write the things. It's nothing else. Main thing happens is
Yes.
here. When our brain is structured, I know what I'm thinking is clear, focused. I can speak it well, I can write it well. The main thing happens is here. Writing is just a secondary matters.
Okay. So, like, what kind of projects do you do? Like, you've been working on this as a freelancer for some time. So what
Yes.
kind of work do you get? Who gives this work to you?
Okay, I started my journey 2019, and I started with some freelancing website and doing these things. I took lots of courses. I spent all my money's savings and
Okay.
taking courses because it's necessary, because everything is not available free. And if you compare that, I have understand in my 2 year short period journey of this online world that not everything is available free is good for you.
Yeah.
You have to filter your mind, what is needed, what is not. It is more important to understand what is required. What is not required for us is more important than what is required. So social media is just a now crowded place. You have to filter things out. So I have spent lots of money in courses, and happily I spent money in the right places.
Okay.
Nothing is spoiled and nothing is just wasted. I spend it in the right processes and right courses. I learned a lot because I started from zero. In my family, nobody knows what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
My mom thinks that I'm unemployed. So she's very angry with me because she knows only one thing, I'm not going office. What I'm doing with my laptop, she doesn't care. I'm unemployed. That's it.
Okay.
So it's a very few people know all this online world, and convincing your family doing the thing, this is another level task.
Okay.
So I spent all my money. My mama was so angry. What the hell she's doing? No future, total dark. She lost, brainless, everything. And I was all alone. I did not have any friend, anyone to guide me. I did not have any single person to say that what I'm going through right now.
Okay.
And to be very honest, I didn't earn a single penny for 2 years.
Oh.
I just spent on the courses. I keep learning, keep practicing, keep upscaling my skill. That I did only for 2 years.
Okay.
After that, I start teaching people and I start doing that freelancing project. And that time it was easy for me because I was doing from a long period of time.
Okay.
But that 2 year journey was so pathetic, and people feel frustrated, and let me tell you one thing, my rejection list is very long. I have applied for free internship. People rejected me from free internship. I was begging that I need the internship because this online world was very new to me. I wanted to explore it. I wanted to learn these things. So I was dying to learn every bit of that. So I applied for free internship. They all rejected me. I was like, what's wrong with me? I request people, I'm ready to do the free work for you. They all rejected me. I was like, why? Then I understand, okay, then if you people are thinking you worthless, let's be priceless, upscaling.
Okay.
Now it happens when you start understanding your value, you want to start prioritizing yourself, then world follows you. That is a strong message I want to say to each and everyone with my online world, because I'm coming from a very basic middle class Indian family. where people even don't know what is this online world, where people, what they do. Actually, people who don't know.
Yeah.
Nobody from my family have a profile in social media.
Yes.
If they have, this is dead enough. They don't do it. And I'm interacting with people, I'm connecting, I'm doing the things, I'm earning. This is beyond the wildest dream. And it was for me also. I never thought that I'll be doing all these things. But it happens, there's something called destiny, like pushes you to do the things.
Mhm.
Otherwise, why I should be mad enough to,
Yeah.
leaving that secure job and doing these things that I don't know at all. It happens.
Okay.
But the journey, whatever the journey it was really, now I feel that it's really interesting and I'm really loving it.
Okay.
Just the starting point, and I'm really loving it now.
Okay. So where did you learn? Like you said, for 2 years you were learning. So what was the source?
I started from 2017. I was in my job that time. There are many reasons why I started thinking, why my mind started thinking that I need to do something in my life. There are many reasons, and inner calls. I'm not going through all this, but I started exploring from 2017, and that time online world was very new thing for me.
Okay.
I never knew what is this. Okay, so I knew that e-commerce is the only thing that people do in online world, because I was a regular customer of Amazon. So I started exploring e-commerce. I learned everything from Indian Institute of E-commerce, and I was so confident. Okay, I can leave the job, I can start my business, all these things. Now I'm so full confident. After 2019 August, there was an event by Mr. Rahul Bhatnagar. I attended that event in New Delhi. Okay, that was Sales and Leadership Masterclass, and that event was total game changer for me. To be very honest, I never knew that there is something called the different world other than the e-commerce that really exists in that online world. It means that you can sell service also. I don't know. I knew that we can sell only physical product, but you can sell your service, you can sell your writing. It was total new for me. So from that time, it was I start exploring thing. I did the Russell Brunson courses, the funnel building, all these things. I did the Indian Institute of E-commerce courses, everything. Then I switched to in American Institute, AWAI, American Writers Institute. From there, I did all the courses, upscaling my writing, and I took many more courses.
Okay.
And start writing, freelancing, publishing my articles, all these things. It really helped me to upscale my things, and I strongly believe unless you don't pay the attention. Because I'm also teaching people from 2 years, nobody paying attention.
Okay.
It's true. When you pay attention. That is the most important thing. Because I have paid money, and that's I'm paying in dollars only. Because in our country, I think copywriter is, something is still now not so known.
Yeah.
People need content writing. Because I'm dealing also some Indian businesses. The only thing they ask that content writing, content writing, content writing. I say yes, content writing, content writing. But copywriting is not so famous. It is famous in this some part of the Western world. There people are already doing from the years and years. So that is some different, and things are going on. Many things are going on right now. But this is the starting of journey. But one thing I really want to suggest people: if you really want to learn something, don't just go for the free stuffs. You can start with the free. I also started from the free. I started from the Google and YouTube, to be very honest. Google and YouTube. But gradually understand that not everything is available in free world. And whatever is available, it is so much of, crowded, and so many information, so many opinion, anyone can lost.
Yeah.
And if you are someone new, it is too dangerous. So you have to follow one path, you have to follow one way in order to do the things. Do your experiment, understand what is good for you, what interests you, and what you really feel happy doing. Then go for it. And of course, one more thing, just be secure your financial situation. I had my saving, so I had that power that I can go without saving that time of my life. I
Okay.
saved money while I was doing the job. I saved money, so I was spending my savings. I did not ask a single penny from my family. It was all my savings. I spent it. So I had that confidence that I have money, I can do the things right now. So if someone is want to do something online world from job, especially I'm talking about from job, people say that I want to do, it is not that job is bad, job is very good. Job is, nobody gift us job, we earned it. We
Yeah.
earned it. The job is very good, I really respect the job, but there might be some reason people want to switch. There might be something that they are mind feel that no, I want to do something, I'm not feeling happy there. There is something, because there are many people, they are really happy with the job, and that is perfectly fine. But there is something when you feel deep inside desperately you want to do, just make sure that you have the enough saving for survive at least for 1 to 2 years in your life without depending on anyone.
Mhm.
It is a must. Then you can start exploring slowly. Don't just, oh, I want to do the things, jump and lost. Don't do these things. And this is online world is not like 9 to 5, it is 24 on 7.
Yeah.
It's always say that, oh, I want to escape from the 9 to 5, I want to join that online world. No, this is not the things. This is the 24 or 7. Even I'm sleeping, I have to reply the mails, all these things. It is like this. So you have to mentally be prepared. Nobody told me all these things. I start exploring and understanding, but I did not have the option to go back. I already left my job.
Okay.
So I have to do anyhow.
So it took you 2 years to get steady in this new domain of your life.
Yes. 2 years, I mean, in 2 years I did many things. I did the funnel building, I did the email marketing, I did the graphic designing, um, speaking, podcasting.
Okay.
I did many things. I
Okay.
just explored each and everything in this online world, and
Okay.
nothing is untouched. Nothing is untouched for me.
Okay.
Video editing, everything. Finally understand that I need two things to do, and then start focusing on these two things. And that
Okay.
is the must for everyone. Just explore whatever you want to explore. Just explore. Just take your time, do your job, or take your savings with yourself and start exploring the things. But once you feel that this is for me, it makes me feel good, I want to do the rest of my life without being tired 24 and 7, go for it.
Okay.
And of course, there must be some vision, doing something good for the society. And of
Yeah.
course, I had it. That's why I took that risk. And you people must have that vision, because only earning money, this is not should not be the motive, because it is not easy to earning money in online world. You have to do the damn hard work. It is
Okay.
not easy. And the job is secure in that way. They're giving every month some money, but
Yeah.
online world is unsecure. You have to do the hard work.
We hear a few success case stories, but there are many who did not make it there.
Yes, yes. Because people feel frustrated after some time, nothing is happening, and it's obviously fine. I feel that it is okay when you are doing constantly hard work, you're not getting the results, you feel frustrated, you feel like that, what I'm doing, is it a life? My friends are doing well, my relatives are scolding me, my family start hating me, they're telling me I'm mad, nobody is there to listening to me. It happens. People start feeling depressed. Sometimes people, feel trauma. It
Mhm.
happens. And if you are all alone, that is all pathetic situation.
Mhm.
So you have to be mentally very strong. You have to train yourself that I'm going now, I'm ready to go through the hell, then start going.
Okay.
You have to go through the hell, because coming from a different background, doing something different from the entire life, don't know anything, suddenly you entered in a unknown world, you don't have anyone, any direction, any help, you start doing the things. It's natural feeling like that.
Okay. So you said you learned it from the American Institute. Mainly that was the courses you
Yes,
did for the copywriting.
yes.
And what exactly do they teach? Like, what are the topics and what kind of
They
things they teach?
yes, they are teach all the copywriting, and they have the email marketing. In copywriting, they have the different segments. Indian Institute, American Institute, they have the segment of copywriting, master copywriting, email copywriting, SEO copywriting, blogging. They have different segments. Now you can choose what you want to do. What I did the basic and masters all total, and I did
Okay.
the emails. It's everything is included in that. What I
Okay.
did. So They also have small courses, and they have lots of resources, although that is free available on the internet. Anyone can go to the website and check it out.
Okay. So like how much did you spend on learning? The thousands, 10,000
It's in dollars.
in dollars? Oh,
Yes, in dollars, because they're all charging in dollars.
okay. But now you feel it's a worthy investment and you're covered up.
Yes, because I'm feeling that I'm growing as a human. That was most important thing for me. Anything
Yeah.
else? In job, I was feeling like I was stuck. I'm dying.
Yeah.
What I'm doing? I'm a person of creative mind. What the hell I'm doing? Not getting appreciation, not doing things. I'm not blaming my job. It is the greatest thing that happened in my life. I really respect, and I have earned that job. I have a huge respect. But somehow, if you have a different mind, you don't fit with some circle. You have to
Yeah.
go out and find and create your own circle. That happened with me. I was creative from my childhood. I was doing something different and feeling happy in that way. I was doing the job for the sake of money, to be very honest. I was not enjoying. I was going to office feeling like tired without any reason. Still I was doing, but things happens, life changes, and you have to take the leap of faith. You have to, one life you have to explore. If you want to,
Yeah.
if you have that courage and that believe on yourself, one life, just explore. If you believe in yourself, things will happen, things will fall into the place. And of course, you have to do the hard work without any expectation from anything from anyone. Just keep doing, things will happen.
Okay. How did you overcome that frustration? As you said, you had 2 years of hard struggle. So
That
what did
was
you do
horrible.
to come out of frustration?
It was horrible. It was really horrible for me because my family don't know what I was doing. They was scolding me 94/7, 365, 24/7. They were scolding me. I did not had anyone to share my what I'm going through. No single penny of earning, only expense. Everything. I didn't expense anything else, just on courses. Anything else, nothing else. And just one mobile, no mobile, just laptop. That's it. Because I
Okay.
needed the one. And I did not had anyone. I was learning and doing the things, and then I start convincing the thing that it is my responsibility, because I have taken that decision of my life. Nobody forced me to do that. It's my decision. It's my responsibility to prove myself. And why should I feel bad if someone telling me something negative? They are telling me because they are care about me. They are so afraid about my future that what I'm doing, they don't know actually. That's so the only thing was in my mind that I have to do the things, I have to get the results and show them that it is. Because it is a fact that when your family is telling something, especially your parents, they are not, it is not like that they hate you. They never hate you. They loves you the most. It is only because they care for you. They don't know what you're doing. They don't know it is on this online world, all these things. They don't understand. If you just take your time and show them the result that this is the new things happens in the world, they will understand and they will support you. That I did. I just keep shut up my mouth. I don't argue anyone with my mom. Whatever she's saying, I just said yes mom, yes mom, yes mom. I was doing the work. I started doing the yoga. Of course, my health was really very bad because of I was in my quite depression and trauma situation, honestly. So I started doing the yoga, I started doing the meditations and sitting alone place, thinking positively. Self-healer. This is the term I can use for myself. I healed myself. Beside this professional journey, I had many personal storms at the same time. So I overcome all these things taking care of my thoughts only. Because I believed when the thoughts are right, then only your health can improve, your professional life can improve, overall your life can improve. Thoughts is the only powerful tools that shape our life. So I start training my thoughts. And one of the things that helped me a lot is Sri Bhagavad Gita, the book. I'm always fond of that book, and start reading that and start exploring and start consuming, not in just reading, consuming that into my mind, and start working like that. Just not reacting, start responding, not just expecting doing the things. There is something, you have to connect. You have to connect with your inner soul to do the things. You have to be strong from within. People can motivate you, inspire you, but that is not the long term. It is for the short term support. You have to be strong from within. For that, you have to change your all thought process. You have to train yourself in such a way, in positive way, that you start believing yourself. You just keep start taking care of your own self. You start shaping your thoughts that now what I'm doing, that is right for me, and this is my life. I have taken the decision. This is my responsibility to prove myself right. No one is wrong. Whatever they're saying to me, because they care for me, they're worried about my future, and they are not wrong at all. I have to prove myself. I have to show some result. That's it. It's simple. Now sometimes it happens that you feel very frustrated. Just cry loud. I did many times, cried loud, you know, go to the terrace and cried loud. You feel just relax from within. You have to just flush out the things from yourself. So you have to go through this phase. You have to balance your mind. You have to focus on your things. You have to live your life. At the same time, you have to struggle, doing your struggle. Struggle and lives go hand in hand. It is not like that someone is now established, struggle ends. They also have some struggles. Even the millionaires have the struggles, but they have trained their mind in that way that I have gone through these things, now I can do this also. So we have to train our minds that I did not have a job. I got the one. Then I took all the promotions. I do all these things. Now I left it. I started new career. So if I can do all these things, I can do this one also. This is nothing, this is not something that you can't do. And one thing is strongly, why everyone should believe that if you are healthy, if you are born healthy, then you should not die being weak. You have to prove yourself. If you're blessed with a healthy body and healthy mind, if you're blessed that people God have blessed with a healthy physique, healthy health, then you have to struggle a lot. You have to prove yourself. You have to make God proud that yes, you have blessed me and I respect your blessing. I'm not just sitting and crying and complaining and creeping. It is easy things to do. So don't do the easy things. Just take your responsibility and do for the things. Don't expect people to help you, because everyone is going through something on the other. Nobody is really happy and free in this world. That is not logical enough. Everyone is going through. We don't know what people are going through. So if someone is not responding my mail, if someone is not talking with me, it not naturally all the time means that they don't like to do. There might be something they are going through. They are not okay. So not feeling bad at that time, doing contact after some time, asking that, are you okay? Can I help you? It is like two-way. If you want someone to help you, you should help that person also. Nothing happens one way. Life is a two-way journey.
Yeah.
So you have to train your minds like this. Too much expectation, they should help me, they will do me. No, even after taking the paid courses, I did not have that expectation. No, they are giving me the course, they give me the security of everything. No, they are giving me the knowledge. Now I have to consume it, I have to apply it, then things will happen.
You said the best courses you found were on the American Institute of Writers.
As of now, yes.
Okay, so if somebody wants to get into copywriting, you would recommend those courses?
Sure, I will recommend them, because they really they teach from the basic level. Basic level
Okay.
mind, not this online world. They teach from the old days direct mail letters, the 30-page, 40-page letters, how they structured those letters, what is the logic behind that, all these things. They teach people in that structure. And
Okay.
all the famous writers like Bob Bry, Mark Ford, all have written all those things. So that's a very good place. When you know the basic things, when your base is strong, anything is possible.
Okay.
And that is not mean that you only learn these things. online writing is quite different than offline writing. We have to understand that SEO. When you're writing that email, you have to understand what goes spam, what not goes into the spam. You have to understand, the words that people open your mail. There is also different word. You have to combine both of things, because nowadays direct mail companies, I think almost very low, any 10 to 5%.
Mhm.
Everything is online. So you have to learn the basic. After that, you have to learn the online stuffs.
And what do you teach? You are also conducting some online courses.
I teach copywriting. I teach total modern copywriting things. You know what I have learned? I have learned the basic from the very base, because I was zero before
Okay.
joining that, before starting online. Of course, before joining the institution, I had some knowledge. I had taken many small courses from different persons. So I had the knowledge, but it was in depth. I learned all these things. So I created the visual copywriting course. I'm creating right now. I will
Okay.
launch it in the month of December. So it is, I believe that when you see something, you remember the things for a long period of time rather than just reading the things.
Yeah.
The visual has a greater impact in your mind. So I'm creating the things that people can remember in easy structure for a long period of time. And it is perfectly for online world. And it is like, if you doing the job, if want to do a freelancer, if you want to online a small business, it is applicable for each and everyone. It will be the basic and strongest, not only basic, the strongest foundation of learning the copywriting. After knowing that, you will feel that yes, I'm confident enough, I can do things. Even I can start my own blog post. If you like, someone like coffee, they can start that niche, writing the blog about the coffee. Even a blog website can earn monthly $1,000 easily from their affiliates.
Okay.
This is the easiest earning way.
Okay. And so if somebody wants to learn from you, how should they register? It's there on your website? Or?
Right now, I'm working on my website, but I have one free copywriting group in my Facebook,
Okay.
where I'm teaching from 2 years right now.
Okay.
So yeah, they can join that group.
Okay.
That is Learn Copywriting in the name of. They can join it, and whenever launching the course, of course, I will do more collaboration. People will know, because I know I want to share that course max to my country.
Okay.
In the very lower price. I have spent lots of my money, but
Okay.
I want to gather all this information, making a visual, the robust, most comprehensive course, and giving to my people to learn these things. And it will be the peanut. I'll
Okay.
almost giving it a free of cost. Because I understand that this is the one skill is very important. How to write well, how to speak well. When you know how to structure the words correctly, you can do anything in your life. I have seen that many people, they don't know how to speak. They don't know. They have many things, many good things. They are a good brain. Nobody's stupid in this world. People are very intelligent. But sometimes people have things in their mind. They don't know how to structure those things beautifully and just deliver that speech. This is the problem. And copywriting is just that one skill that will help you. Whatever you have in your mind, just do the beautification and deliver to the world. It helps in their personal life and professional lives in all the aspects.
Okay. So how do you plan to share that on YouTube, Udemy, or like what platform will you use?
Sorry?
With the course that you will make, how will you how do you plan to present it? Like, will it be a YouTube series or something on Udemy, or you will have your own?
No, Udemy. I am planning my own landing pages. I have my
Okay.
landing pages where I will do that things. Full. It will be all the what is required. Free bonuses will be there. It will be illustration with PDF.
Okay.
Video illustration. I'll be explaining everything, and it will be a long course. I think it will be minimum 17 to 20 hours. It will be the very long course, because I'm going to start from the total zero. That someone who don't know, even a kids of 6 years who don't know what is copywriting, they can learn from that.
Okay.
It will be a gift to my people, what I'm going through, and I understand the value of this power of words, why it's must for the people. So it will be from basic to 20, I think 20 to 25 hours long. It will be PDF will be there, illustration will be there, and whatever is needed, everything will be there.
Okay. Okay. I'll wait for December.
Thank you. Surely.
Great. So if you were to relive these last 4 years, do you think you would do something different? Something that you felt like I should not have done that, it could have been better if I would have got faster if I did something
Yes,
else.
not wasting my time. I wasted, time crying. I
Okay.
cried a lot. Seriously, I cried a lot. I was sometimes feels like what the hell I'm doing. There is many days I was like, why I'm waking up? What the hell I'm doing? Then because I told you that I was going through the many trauma that times. Not only that professional, I was like as hell.
Hmm.
Now I'm thinking that I should be more, patience. Have some good control on myself, on my mind, on my thought. But I trained my mind from that time also. So, and one thing I really want to share that when you feel that you want to do something, just start. Don't wait
Okay.
for anything. If you keep wait, the wait is ever never ending.
Hmm.
I started feeling that I need to do the things. I start joining the courses, learning the things. But one thing I'm really feeling guilty that many times I just do some procrastination. I did it honestly. I was not feeling to do the work. I was feeling lazy. I was feeling sad. I just close my laptop. I start crying and feeling bad.
Hmm.
Happens now. The times, but slowly you know how to overcome your emotion, you know how to control your life, your thoughts, you be focused. Slowly we learn it. But this is the one thing i I can just
Good.
reconnect with myself.
It's nice. Yeah, the story is quite inspiring for many of them. A lot of people are on the verge of leaving their job, maybe thinking, should I or should I not get into an online business?
See, leaving job is not that I want to leave the job because I don't like. You must have something vision, something from inside you that I want to do this thing for the people. So I have something in my mind. I have one vision. This copywriting and that doing that course is not in my head. This is the temporary thing I will create. I will give it almost free of cost. This is what I have learned. I'm going to share with the people. But I have something in my mind that I'm going to do in the near future. I think from 1 to 2 years, from 2022 onwards, I will start working on that. I had something from my childhood that I want to do these things. So
Mhm.
I had it in my mind. So if you have something in your mind and you're feeling that I should give it a try in my life, I should try this, because regret is very painful thing. You should not live with the regret. We live once. So whatever you want to do, just explore the things. But
Okay.
before that, take a calculative risk. Is it The world is the money, money based. We're living in a money based planet. We can't move without money. All this motivation, inspiration is okay, fine.
Mhm.
I personally hate motivation. I don't like motivation. I feel like it is a poison.
Mhm.
It's a poison for this online world. But everything is fine, but we take calculative risk. Secure your money. Just think about it, how long you can survive with your savings. And if you have family, you have to be very serious about it. You can do with your job, you can explore. After you start earning money, 70%, at least 70% of your requirement, then you can take the risk. For that, you have to with a very very hard work. Doing the other works with your job in our country is very painful, because in our country job is not like foreigners 8 to 5. It is go beyond that.
Yeah.
It's go beyond that, because I was going to office 8 o'clock in morning. I was in bank, and I was coming back 8:10 p.m. at
Oh,
night. Yes.
oh my God.
And I was listening only podcast on my way from journey, in the metro, in the buses. I was listening and learning, consuming the things.
Oh,
After coming back, I start learning those things. So I was sleeping at 1 to 2 or 3, then again waking up at 7, ready for the office, and there I have to do all these things. Bank, you understand the things.
mhm.
Being a bank manager is like
Yeah.
you have to do in our country, demonetization, everything is horrible.
Mhm. Good. So, but over the last 4 years, you have come to a level that you're confident that you'll be able to take it forward?
Last 4 years, and one thing that improved into me, that I never knew how to connect with this online world. To be honest, I never had the profile. I never did any interaction. I never post any content. Just personal photos, like 90% of Indian people. So I never interacted. I don't know how to interact professionally. That is the one thing I have learned from the copywriting only: how to interact professionally, how to write professionally, how to greetings, how to do these small common things. I have learned from this thing, from the skill. And that confidence came within me. I start interacting, I start taking the classes from a student, doing the consultation. Everything start coming within me. I was not that much confident about online world. I was confident in my offline world. I was doing the meetings, everything I was doing. But that is different for me. Making videos, doing the things, it is a total different field for me. It is a new world. When I just entered, I was like shocked. What is this? I don't know anything for this. I will lost here. It was really horrible for me. But I learned everything. It was from scratch. People start from zero. I started from minus. Yes, I started from minus. I was so dumb. When I realized that, oh my God, I was doing this thing 3 years ago. I was such a stupid. Seriously, I was stupid. Did many stupid things because I was really learning, exploring the things. And now I understand this is so easy. And I spent 3 to 5 days thinking about it, exploring these things. It takes time and effort and energy. And if people start feeling burnout, that also another level pain. And I also felt it. Nothing is new. It happens.
Okay, that's great. You have given very good inputs for a lot of people. As I said, are looking for the details about how to get into the online world. You have given a lot of good inputs for them. It's really nice.
If you someone want to explore in the online world, there is I can guess that affiliate marketing going to boom in few years, because now everyone is approving affiliate, so they can start with the affiliate marketing. It is a no risk. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to learn any skill. Only one thing you need to do is learn how to connect with the people, how to sell the product. Just be good at the communication with your words, more than enough. Sell the other's product, take some commission. It is a side hustle income. And if you have some extra money, you can invest that money learning the skill that you want to learn. You can save that money. If you have money, extra money, you have more than enough money, you have that confidence also. So that is important. Start small. Affiliate marketing, start doing the things. Now many people, even the college students, are doing the affiliate marketing, and that is the great thing. They're understanding the value of money, and there's nothing bad in it. It's a really good thing that people are understanding, people doing the things. Affiliate marketing is a one form of employment also.
Okay.
So start small, do the things, start risk free, start doing the things, save your financial needs and your family needs, then start doing, exploring the things. Keep one thing in your mind, that nobody is going to save you, nobody is going to help you, and nobody is just don't care about you. You are your total responsibility. That's it, period. And you don't have any right to blaming anyone, because it is your life. When you born, you was all alone, and when you die, you'll be all alone. Okay, so you don't have any right to blaming anyone. Why you are not helping me? Why you are not you doing these things? I'm feeling sad. Why not? It is their wish. If they want to do, that's fine. You are blessed. If you are not, they are willing to do. That's okay. You do your own shit. That's it.
Yes. Yeah, you should remember that when you're working on
Yes, it is. That's the things you have to train our mind whenever we are doing anything. Not just about online world, in our physical real world also. If you want to do some venture, suppose someone want to open a shop or something physical business, now you connect with the people, you talk to them, you convince them, take your deal, but don't expect that I'm going to talk to these people and they will be yes in my first conversation. It's not possible. It can be yes or no. It depends on their wish. Now, if you have that persuading power to convince that people, it will be yes. If you don't have that enough proof, enough power, there will be no. Then you have to find someone else. You can't blame anyone. Just if you start feeling that way, you feel really relaxed in your life. Mind is so free, and your mind is free. You start feeling like that. Wow, I'm living my life. I'm enjoying my life because doing the online stuff, being successful, earning money, everything is fine. The most important part of life is being happy. Are you happy? What you're doing? Honestly, while I joined my bank, I was really happy. My first salary was 13,000. I was so happy, extremely happy. And when I left my job, my salary was 70,000 rupees. So I, took all the promotion, exams, interview, everything. I cleared everything. I took all the promotion. I increased my salary. I was happy also. Now, it have to understand that are you happy? If someone is happy doing the jobs, do that. And if you're not happy, you want to do something for the society, you want to give back something to the society, if you want to take that risk going through all the shit, then do that. It is ultimately someone's inner call, what makes you happy. But if you're taking any risk, you have to be ready for all the responsibility. You can't blame anyone, you can't say negative something to anyone. Of course it will takes a lot on you. That's why you have to train your mind that I am the only one person who is responsible for my life, and everyone else is very fine. That's it. Even you feel sad, listen music, read something good, have a walk on the nature, sit alone, do something, but just don't indulge yourself into the negative thoughts, because negative thoughts is like a poison. When you start thinking, it comes one after other, one after other, one after other. And human brain are trained is like that. They think more negative than the positive. I assume that you are walking on the road. There are two situations. Someone is praying and someone is fighting. Obviously, you will start watching that fight, not that person who is praying. Just human psychology, human brain is trained is that way. So you have to focus that I will see that prayer person who is praying, not that who is fighting. So it takes a lot, and it happens eventually, and it is an ongoing process. Nothing is like that. Life, growth, and progress, whatever. Everything is an ongoing process. Even I am learning and growing and doing the things right now, and I will be doing till the last day of my life. I believe in that. I don't know many things right now. I'm learning many things from each and every single person. Even a person put some, comment on I just read it, something new. I live on the knowledge. I'm a very, curious person. I feel like something new. Oh my God, I give a thank you to that person. So I learn. I love learning the new things. I learn, grow, and explore. Learn, apply, and explore the life. You have to do these things. Never feel that, oh my God, I know everything, I'm the boss. No, you don't know everything. Nobody knows everything. Nobody is perfect. Perfection is an illusion. Life is a process of being better. Nobody is best. Because whatever I'm thinking is perfect might not be perfect for other person. Perfection is a perception. It depends from person to person. If I say that this pen is perfect, someone say, no, it's not perfect. It's something wrong there. That's okay. So it is a process. Perfection is a process. So don't never believe in perfection. Believe in the process of being better each and every day. I'm did this good thing today. 1% improvement into my growth in my life, in my mind, in my future. Into me, overall me. Again tomorrow, I'm doing this one thing that improved me as a person. I'm talking about person. Forget about these monetary things, success, all these things, big gyan tatya. Forget everything. As a human, we need to grow. We need to be a better person. We need to feel from the mind that, wow, I'm feeling proud of myself, whatever I'm doing. I'm feeling happy from inside. And people who are surrounding me, they are also happy. They are feeling that positive vibes within me. And that makes us happy. So this is the things, every day 1% growth, and that's the that makes the people happy, and that's the life's all about. Be happy, enjoy your growth, keep exploring the things, do whatever you want to do, because that is a one life. Don't live with regret.
It's good. Thanks a lot for your inputs, sir. Really
Thank you,
inspiring
Vikas.
for everyone.
Thank you
Really
so much
great.
for inviting me and for your precious time. And I really want to wish each and everyone who was doing new thing, who really want to do new thing, and who really believe in yourself, just go for it. This is your life. Whatever you want to make, it will happen. If you want to make it a masterpiece, if it will happen. And if you want to make it a great, it will happen. Whatever you want to make your life, it will happen. But you have to believe in yourself, and if you have to work upon that. You just think and listen to all these motivational things, it will never happen. Forget all the motivation, forget everything, just start working on yourself, start doing the things fall into the place. Gradually it happens, because universe always bless the true persons, true hard workers. You have to strategize, you have to think, you have to keep improving yourself. Something called karma is never lies.